In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Payhip password. Changing your password regularly is a simple way to keep your account secure, and Payhip makes the process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll need to log into your Payhip dashboard using your existing details. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. A small drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Settings. After you click on Settings, you'll be taken to a page with several different tabs. Look for the tab called Login Settings and select it. This is where all the options related to your login details, like email and password, are located. At the top of the Login Settings section, you'll see a question that says something like, "Would you like to edit your email or password?" Just below that, there are two buttons or links. One to edit your email and one to edit your password. Since we're focusing on your password, click on Edit Password. Once you've done that, 3 fields will appear. These are very important, and you'll want to fill them out carefully. In the first field, type your current password. This step is there to confirm that it's really you making the change. So make sure you type it exactly as you use it to log in. In the second field, enter the new password you want to use. Try to choose something strong and unique, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other websites to keep your account safer. In the third field, you'll need to repeat that same new password. This is just to confirm you didn't make a typo the first time. Make sure both new password fields match perfectly. After all 3 fields are filled in and you're confident everything is correct, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Settings. The page will reload for a moment. Once it refreshes, look toward the top of the screen. You should see a confirmation message letting you know that your settings have been saved or changed. That message means your new password has been successfully updated, and from now on, you'll use that new password to log into your Payhip account.